Hello YouTubers, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we have 2017 Volkswagen Golf. And the issue is that after replacing the clock spring in the steering wheel, the cruise control still does not work. Before, the wipers did not work, the cruise control, the radio controls, but after replacing the clock spring with original parts from the dealership, cruise control still does not work, so we'll try to figure out what's going on. I have here Autel MaxiCOM scan tool, and based on my research, most likely that the new spring, clock spring that was installed needs to be programmed. So we'll try to figure out where we can find the cruise control programming. So I'm in the main menu right now for this vehicle, and we will try to go to the hot functions. And here we have quite a few. Let's see if we can, here's something. So this function will activate or deactivate cruise control system, adaptive cruise control function. Do you want to continue? Test requirements, the ignition is turned on, the engine is off. No, this function will modify the coding value to 01. Engine electronic control system coding backup is required before the function is performed. So we will just click yes. Select item cruise control in the long code. If this item does not exist, the model is not supported. Cruise control system in a long code. So we will go here. The model is not supported. So to sum up, when you change the clock spring on the Volkswagen vehicle, you need to reprogram the spring. Otherwise, some functions would not work. The other one will throw error codes on a scan tool. In this case, brand new clock spring was installed, and as a result, it's not coded. You might get lucky when you use used part that will carry the correct code. In this case, seems like we need to take it to the dealership to get it reprogrammed. My Autel MaxiCOM is not supporting this. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always, just do it yourself.